With crazy active little kids, I love a good toy that is interactive, is convertible, and is nice and padded for them. And this 7-piece set from Moose Health is perfect for just that. So I wanted to show it off because there are so many different ways to play and interact with this foam climbing block set. Now, first things first, this does arrive in a pretty small box. It's actually pretty impressive with how small the box is. It is a little bit heavier, of course, because it's holding all of these pieces in one. They're actually vacuum sealed. So to open it up, you're going to need to cut open a few different layers there. But once you do, they start expanding right away. And you'll also notice that it comes with multiple different strips of Velcro, so you can actually place those on the foam blocks once they're fully expanded if you choose to do so, as well as having a little sheet that just says how to go ahead and allow these to expand and to also steam them when they're done expanding to help get all the wrinkles from the vacuum sealing out of the fabric. So with that, I did leave mine outside for a day or two to go ahead and fully expand. And then I did choose to steam them because I love the way that it looks nice and clean and smooth and ready to be played with. Plus, the steaming really only takes me about 30 minutes for this entire set, so very worth it in my opinion. What's nice about this set though is that if you didn't want to steam it, you could also just choose to wash it in the washer. Each piece does have a zippered on cover, so the colorful covers are actually able to be thrown into the washer as needed, or also spot cleaned, of course. These are similar to like a suede material, so you will see watermarks on them, but they're very easy to clean, and they do definitely dry very nicely with no permanent watermarks. Now, each one of these pieces serves a different function, but I love that they have allowed for different ways to play with each piece. A lot of them have the ability to be rotated, or you can see these pieces turn from ramps into like blocks or cubes there, which is definitely perfect to allow for that awesome open-ended play. So currently I have a 4-year-old, a 1.5-year-old, and a 2-month-old, and I know they're going to get tons of use out of this. They are all really tall kids, and they definitely fit in here fine and are making use of it just fine. We love doing the ball ramp. My kids like to do gymnastics moves and things on the cubes, a lot of jumping, and of course the ball pit, the necessity. With the nice thick high density foam, they're going to get tons of use out of it, and I don't have to worry too much about bonked heads. With so many configuration possibilities, this 7-piece set is perfect for endless play.